Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we're very indecisively consolidating here underneath the all-time high. So 39.28.5, and you just got these little doji-ish type things. They aren't taking out the prior day lows. They're not taking out the prior day highs. It's just kind of melting into itself, and you can see the 9-day coming up to try to meet price. 9-day right now is at 84. Your Globex low, 38.90 quarter. They did that about 3:45 in the morning Eastern time. So I'll be very interested to see if we get some kind of a move today. You look at it on the hourly chart, and it's just a lot of indecision. It's like, okay, well, here's the high. We tried to bust it and fade it back. That didn't work. Tried it once again yesterday. That didn't work either. And we're just kind of meandering here in and around that hourly mid-band, which sits at about 39.04. So all of price is jammed into a two-handle range this morning. Our proprietary moving average is basically 0.2 half, and it's locked up with volume-weighted average price, the 5-minute mid-band, and the daily pivot, all in and around 38.03 to 38.03 half. So from 0.2 half to 0.4, you've got everything. So if you thought the last couple of days were tight as far as a bull-bear zone on the open, well, hold my beer, because today is even tighter. So we're in this little protracted consolidation. Could we get a move today? Sure. Could they punt all this until Monday? Yep. So we'll have to see what happens. But what I do know is we want to be long above this zone and short below it. I would expect we get another. Every day they've tried one decent move down. Now they already did the little one off the Europe Open. So you had a decent move down Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe this is it for Friday, or maybe they have something else in store. Keep an eye on the 9-day at 83. If we get down there, that is a level that the bears have to win and convert if they're gonna get anything done for the rest of the day. And that's been something that the tape has really had no interest in doing at all. They have been letting this thing come in hard. They have been saving it and then pushing it back to the upside. So a hard push down to the 9-day that bounces, until the bears prove you wrong, it's a decent place to get long. I wouldn't blind buy it. Don't blind buy anything, but just understand the dynamic. If you get down there and they can't continue to progress price downward, that's where you take your short profits and at least try one or two to the long side to see if that's going to work. And you know what? If it doesn't work, then that opens the door to a ladder down re-entry to the short side. Or maybe it's going to just chop and be awful and you call it a day. But 0.2 to 0.4 is the key. Hard pushes down. You got to verify that they're actually going to work. Take your profits, make the bears prove themselves, and then go from there. On the upside, look, the closer the bulls close to that all-time high, if they can take it out today, the better off they are heading into the weekend. Sunday night into Monday should be interesting. Door number 3 is we have a replay of the last couple days, and they really don't do a good job of expanding anything to the upside, and we just kind of chop around. If that's the case, then by this afternoon, we'll probably be hanging it up. So, but that's up to the tape. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I will talk to you guys on Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.